Learning doesn't need to stop when the school is over. How a tiny little seed falls from a mother tree and goes deep inside the soil. Frog hops onto a tree and feels at home. Nature has unlimited lessons to offer. Once upon a time, there was a tree, is a hybrid workshop where the children will have an opportunity to take a break from the online classes and go for a pre-guided nature walk to the garden or to the park or even to their own terrace. They would be writing their own prose, their poetry, painting their poems and creating craft out of their proses. But more importantly, they will try and make a connect with the nature. The goal of this workshop is to nurture the sense of wonder. And we all know nurturing sense of wonder promotes curiosity. The second goal is to help them notice the little things around us. Art of noticing is a skill, and if inculcated early, it remains lifelong. And the third goal is to learn side by side. Learning without the intent or intention of learning is always deeper and fun. What a child looks at more closely, ignoring the chaos around, is his attitude towards science. And then, when prompted to express these observations in their self-authored poems or prose, they are foraging for the right words, inadvertently building vocabulary. They are finding the correct grammatical way to proudly express what they feel. And then they paint their poems. They illustrate their poems through their own imagination, create craft out of their prose. Interdisciplinary learning happens inadvertently. Learning silently seeps.